Long Beach Expo 2019, Century Products, top product in the industry for any of your root control applications, from the root barrier panels all the way to the versatile dual purpose rolls, as well as the new GeoRipper. This product will cut your time in half if you're installing PVC lines, low voltage, or anything in between. Barrier applications, a tool to cut the roots, the new GeoRipper. You wanted the difference between making money and just making money is a GeoRipper. Check us out at centuryrootbarrier.com. I look forward to seeing you here at Long Beach. Here we go. We're gonna rock. I'm gonna tear this trench so fast you're not gonna believe it. This is it. This is the tool. You want to make it happen right here. We're coming along and we're pruning the roots, as you can see here, dropping a trench directly into the ground where we can install a 12-inch root barrier material. So when you use this saw or trencher, you don't need max RPM. You just can run a quarter throttle, half throttle, and you'll melt right through the earth. Really easy.